I think the current state for AI and robotics in enterprises is a mixed bag a bit. I think it's still something that we're trying to figure out how it works for the actual enterprise. So I think that we've all decided, we've looked into the literature, we've listened to the consultants, we all know what's coming, but what that actually looks like for different companies, I think is still a question.
I think the current state is still focused a lot on innovation. We have a great technology and we're still figuring out what to do with it. As an example, in Friesland Campina, we're trying to link AI to our core business processes and problems. For example, if we have a huge challenge in pricing, if you really want to optimize prices because we have a huge trading unit, then we link and see how AI can add value into that unit. And I think that's the right way to do it. Put the business pain point first and then the technology next to that.
I know for my company, we see how we have really big gaps in terms of the capabilities that we have, in terms of the data foundations that we need to be able to bring AI and robotics into our company. So there's still a lot of questions in terms of how is this really going to work for us.
I think it's still quite important to remember that we're people and we're still basing projects on trust and on mutual understanding. So I would say, and that's what we're doing, is that when we kickstart a new project, we really try to have that first workshop, that first set of meetings face-to-face, especially if the team hasn't met before, because you need to start with the right step, with the right level of trust. And I think face-to-face really enables that. Once you have a good foundation in place, I think you can move to digital type of meetings. But it's important to establish that trust level first, and meeting face-to-face is still going to be a thing for that.
In a digital age, the value of meeting face-to-face is that's how all relationships start. I think you can continue relationships in a virtual way, but I don't think there's a lot of experience of true partnerships and trusting relationships really being built in a virtual way. So I don't think the face-to-face is ever going to go out of style. I think it just slowly transforms over time.
I would say what sets us apart is efficiency, because we're focusing on exclusively top-level decision makers. They're all very, very busy. And with us, in one day, you get to meet your peers who are struggling mostly with the same challenges and discuss those with them. Meet business partners that can help you solve those challenges immediately and get inspired by the program, different use cases. That is just a very efficient day.